Before we start, let me warn you. Today's car is not just a G-Wagon. This is the KEYVANY-tuned Mercedes-AMG G63, one of the most extreme, powerful, and luxurious SUVs ever built. And if you stay till the end of this video, I will reveal a real, surprising fact about this machine that even many G-Wagon owners don't know. Plus a shocking truth about the upcoming 2025 Rolls-Royce Cullinan 2. So let's begin. The KEYVANY G63 is not just a modified SUV. It is a statement, a lifestyle, and a rolling piece of handcrafted engineering. People search for it because it mixes supercar performance, luxury sedan comfort, and SUV dominance, all in one aggressive package. Today, you're going to learn the real facts people are actually searching for: performance, interior, price, and the hidden secrets behind this build. Under the hood sits something wild, a 4.0-liter V8 bi-turbo engine tuned by KEYVANY to produce 820 horsepower and 1,050 newton-meters of torque. That is more power than a Lamborghini Urus, and almost double the torque of a stock G63. This monster can go from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in around 3.8 seconds, depending on wheel setup, which is insane for a full-size luxury off-roader shaped like a brick. One of the most searched questions is the KEYVANY G63 faster than Brabus? And the honest answer is yes. In many setups, it actually is. KEYVANY focuses heavily on lightweight carbon fiber components, making the G63 feel sharper, quicker, and more responsive than almost any other tuned G-Wagon. Now let's talk exterior. One look and you instantly know this isn't standard. The full forged carbon fiber body kit includes aggressive bumpers, a redesigned hood with giant air intakes, wider fenders, roof LED bars, and signature KEYVANY wheels that can go all the way up to 24 inches or more. These wheels aren't just for show. They improve handling, stability, and give the G63 that VIP hyper SUV look people are searching for on YouTube and Instagram. Even the rear spare wheel cover is custom and illuminated, just like a luxury fashion accessory on wheels. Move inside, and the world completely changes. People often search KEYVANY interior price and KEYVANY leather quality. And yes, it's real. This build features hand-stitched premium leather, carbon fiber trim everywhere, a custom steering wheel, Bentley-style quilting, and rich ambient lighting. This orange interior is one of KEYVANY's signature themes, bold, luxurious, and impossible to ignore. Everything feels handcrafted, everything feels premium, and everything feels expensive. So how does it drive? Smooth, powerful, and shockingly quiet inside. This is why people compare it to Rolls-Royce levels of comfort. The suspension tuning, the exhaust system, and the upgraded insulation are all designed to give you something rare: loud presence on the outside, but calm silence on the inside. The KEYVANY G63 is built to make you feel like a king on the road. Now let's talk real numbers, because people search for this the most. How much does a KEYVANY G63 cost? A full KEYVANY body kit, wheels, and interior can easily cross $150,000. And a complete KEYVANY-built G63 can reach $400,000 to $600,000 or even more, depending on customization. This is not just a vehicle. This is a dream car-level purchase. And now, as promised, here is the surprising true fact many people don't know. The KEYVANY G63's cabin insulation is so advanced that at highway speeds you can actually hear the soft clicks of the indicators and even the faint sound of the ventilation motors. That's how quiet it is inside. Only a few SUVs in the world reach this level of silence. And one of them is the upcoming 2025 Rolls-Royce Cullinan II, which is so silent inside during testing that you can literally hear your own breathing while driving. Yes, that is a real fact. So, this was the legendary Mercedes-AMG G63 KEYVANY edition. A perfect combination of raw power, hyper-luxury, aggressive design, and handcrafted excellence. If you love machines like this, stay tuned, because even wilder builds are coming next.